Okay, so really quick, just to kind of point out, I already changed the casing here, and the only thing you need to take the casing off are just 6 screws. And you can see here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 different screw holes for those screws. So you simply use a spudger and pull this off, and you disconnect the screws right here. And when you're ready to put it back together, you just put those screws in, and boom, you've replaced the front casing. Now this one here, you can see this is not from me dropping it. This is actually just the desiccation of the plastic. It must have been off-gassing some sort of a volatile organic compound, some part of the plastic that they used here slowly off-gassed over time. So this just cracked on its own. I've never dropped my iPod here. Anywho, so once you get that apart, you can see that as I take this out, you have some wires you have to be very careful of not to accidentally pull out or yank out. And here you can actually see the battery, which I have a replacement for right here. Made sure I got that. And then I also have the click wheel here, and I went on ahead and just ordered a new one so that I would have a nice clean one to match my brand new faceplate. So how do I get to those? Well, I have to actually separate the faceplate here in order to reach the one for the click wheel. And you can actually see the battery here goes to this connection right here. And this connection, I'm pretty sure I don't need to release. But regardless, I actually might need to replace that. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like I do. So there's that connection. And that leads back here. So basically, I just need to get access to it. And I've got my handy-dandy iFixit tools. And that's what I'm going to use. So here we go. Take this and actually separate this for the moment off here very gently. All right, and you can see there's the click wheel there, and to get that out, all I gotta do is press through, and that should pop right out just like that. And now I've got my screen, and I want to make sure nothing gets on the inside of there, so I'm going to set that face down somewhere. And now you have the actual LCD screen here, and then here's the click wheel. Be careful of that as you bend it open. That connects the hard drive to the rest of this. You don't want to break that connection there. This is the final battery connection here that I need to get off. I've already disconnected the battery power, so I should be good to just kind of come in here and pull this out a little bit. Just like that. Now the battery is disconnected, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. Set that down for now. And want to be careful to use plastic tools. I don't want to puncture this battery. That would be a very bad deal. So there's my old battery. Here's the new battery. Has 3M tape and everything. Pop that right off. place it where it goes. Voila. Those two connections go back in there.